I just received my soft pastels in the mail, and I realized when I opened them up that the black had broken and the dust had gotten on several of my other pastels. So I'm going to show you a very easy way to clean them. I filled a container full of cornmeal, and then I just drop in the pastels that need cleaning. So you can do one, or you can do part of the box, or you can do all of your box. You put it in, you close the lid and do so carefully so that you don't get the cornmeal everywhere. And then you shake it for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then just pull them out. Once you start using your pastels on a regular basis, you'll notice that you need to keep them clean. So this is a really easy and great method to do so. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more of my videos. Be sure to ring the bell if you'd like to get notifications when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.